Hi friends! Wow, look at all these colorful snowflakes. There are so many. Let's mix them up. Can you see red? Can you see blue? Let's find out. Let's find the red snowflakes. Red like apples. Red like strawberries. Here is one. Let's count together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Now let's find dark blue snowflakes. Blue like the ocean. Blue like the sky. Let's find yellow snowflakes. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yellow like the sun.
Stack, stack, stack them high, build them up into the sky. Red and blue, green and white, color towers look so bright. Stack, stack, stack them high, build them up into the sky. Red and blue, green and white, color towers look so bright.
Which color is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Tap like, tap subscribe, and come back for more colorful fun.